Hi, Michelle Castle, Guild Mortgage in Sherman, Texas. I had an idea that I wanted to share with you, and this is how to use a TCA to open doors at an open house. So the next time you see that you have a realtor you have been wanting to meet has just announced they're going to have an open house, or part of your marketing strategy is to attend open houses over the weekends, assuming you have open houses in your area. Go ahead and pull up all of the information that you can find about the open house and put together a total cost analysis in Mortgage Coach. Show up to that open house. Introduce yourself. Have a gift. You always want to walk in the door with something in hand that you hand to them because of the law of reciprocity when you give them a gift. One of my favorite gifts to give someone that is holding an open house, my assumption is they're thirsty. My assumption is they might like a snack. So bringing some food with you is always a great idea. And of course, your swag, all of your information as well. But also, you've put together a TCA specific to the home that they're showing. So you introduce yourself and let them know, hey, listen, I put together something really cool on this home I'd really like to show you. Open house flyers are great, but whenever you can show them a total cost analysis on your phone where they can go in and see the numbers, that's magical. But let me tell you one other great step you can take. Instead of just doing a TCA with the numbers for the house, you get an opportunity to record a video introducing yourself, give a little information about the numbers that you have provided, but most importantly, in that video, recording all of the information about the TCA, which is now a recording selling yourself, and what personalized service you can provide, putting some numbers together for any potential buyers on that home. So you show off all of your tools and tricks that you have to help that realtor sell the home, but you also have something now that they can share to others that show who you are and what value you provide to your clients with a personalized TCA that starts with the personalized TCA on this particular home. So you have this TCA, you show it to the realtor, you let them watch that video, you wow them with this after you've given them a gift, and you then send a text message with the TCA link to their phone. Have them save all your contact information on their phone, and now you have all of their information to save on your phone so you can do some great follow-up tomorrow and the next day after that open house. Then it's a great conversation on what other listings do you have that I can put this great information together for. So just a little way to think outside the box to use a TCA to not only gain some trust, show that you know what you're doing, but wow them with some tools that the other loan officer that maybe walked in the door before you or after you has not utilized to their advantage to show the skills and the value that can be brought to working and building a business with you. Hope this information is helpful. Think outside the box. How can you use a TCA to help you generate business, build trust, and show that you are a wow loan officer? You are a modern day mortgage professional. Have a great day.